Now that we've added 3 NAS systems to our Igneous DataDiscover instance, in this demo we're going to look at the results of the first complete data scan. We'll start here on the main Discover page where we can see the overall breakdown of data by age across the top. On the lower half of the portal, Igneous DataDiscover shows all added NAS systems, which can be sorted by name, by the volume of data, or by the total number of files. Clicking on any of these NAS systems will show that system's exports, along with each export's size, file count, and a breakdown of data by age. If we keep drilling down into subdirectories, Igneous DataDiscover will show us the full breakdown as deep as we want to go. Another feature that Igneous DataDiscover offers is the ability to customize the age reporting tiers along the top. By adjusting these settings, we can easily find the oldest data in the environment. In this case, a 1.3 terabyte dataset that's more than 7 years old. Once older datasets have been located and identified, action can be taken to reclaim Tier 1 storage space. Igneous DataProtect customers can easily launch an archive task against aged data right from this portal, moving it either to an on-site data repository or to any public cloud provider. Offering full visibility into any NAS system in the environment, and with the ability to customize reporting details to meet any specific need, Igneous DataDiscover lets us find and manage datasets of any age, anywhere in the environment, even among petabytes of unstructured data.